I am in a big meeting on Zoom. Please be quiet.
I am playing a great game. I need to win now! Look at this video on TikTok. It is...
My family is always looking at their screens.
The internet is the only friend in this house. The sky looks very strange today. Why is it dark?
What was that sound? Did you hear that, Michael? Oh no! The sky is turning red! There is black smoke! The smoke is near the airport. This is dangerous. I must get the emergency bag. We need medicine! Water, bandages, and bread. We must be ready. Michael, Jack, Emma! Stop playing! Come here now!
Wait a minute, Elena. I am still working.
We are busy, Mom. We are watching a movie.
Listen to me. Something bad is happening outside.
Oh no. The lights are out and my internet is dead.
My game stopped. Why is the Wi-Fi not working?
I must fix this. I have a very important email to send.
Michael, stop! Forget the internet! We must leave now!
I need only 2 minutes to reset the router, Elena.
Listen! The city is not safe! We need to go to the basement!
Maybe the cable is loose. I need to watch my movie. Mom, I am scared. But I want to talk to my friends.
The internet is gone. The screens are useless now.
There is no signal here. What is happening to our city?
Put your shoes on. We are going down the stairs.
The answer is B. They only care about the Wi-Fi.
This is an emergency. Follow me to the basement, now! The siren is so loud! Everyone, go to the stairs now!
I must take my laptop. All my work is inside it.
Leave the laptop, Michael. It is just a heavy box now.
Mom, I hear a leg sound outside. Is the building shaking?
Don't look back. Keep walking down. We are almost there.
Wait for me. Can I go with you? I am very scared. Yes, Mrs. Peterson. Come with us. Take my hand.
That is great. A radio is better than a phone today.
A radio? That is so old.
Could it really help us?
Listen, it uses batteries. It can find the news.
Here is the basement. Open the heavy door, Michael.
This door is very heavy. Help me, Jack. Pull it.
It is safe inside. Everyone, go in quickly.
It is dirty here. Can we go back to our house soon?
We must stay here. The city is in a big trouble. Shh. The news is coming. Everyone, be quiet and listen.
Attention. Please stay in your shelters. It is not safe.
I am so lost. I don't know what to do without Google.
Drink some water, Mrs. Peterson. You are safe now.
How does it work, Mrs. Peterson? It has no screen.
Now we only listen to the radio. No more screens.
Be quiet, everyone. I am looking for a safe zone news.
The city is dangerous. Please save your battery.
What is that light over there? Jack? Emma?
We are just playing a small game. We are bored.
What did I tell you about those phones? Stop it! You must save the battery for an emergency!
My phone is dead too. I feel so alone without it.
Battery is life now. Don't waste it on games.
But there is no signal anyway. Why does it matter? It is my favorite thing. Please don't take it, Mom.
Michael, tell them. We need to be smart to survive.
I don't know, Elena. Everything is so difficult now.
You all are still living in a digital world. Look around.
That was very close. We need to be very careful.
That is enough. I have to take control now. I am using this giant wire cutter. Listen to me.
Elena, what are you doing with that big tool?
I will destroy your phones if you don't listen.
Okay, Mom. We are turning them off. Please stop.
No more games. No more screens. Only survival.
The answer is B. They must learn the lesson now.
Give me all the phones. I will keep them safe.
Here's mine. Please be careful with it, Elena.
We are sorry, Mom. We will listen to you now.
Good. Now we are a family again, not digital ghosts.
You are a strong woman, Elena. This is necessary.
The phone
Now we wait together. We are safe in this shelter. The Wi-Fi is broken. These phones are useless now. I am putting everything into this iron box.
I will lock it. Now, you must face reality.
I feel lost. I cannot check my work emails.
Everything is so dark. We are bored and scared.
Listen to me. I am the leader in this shelter. My hands are shaking. I need to see a screen. Calm down, Michael. Breathe in and breathe out.
I hear a loud noise. Is the building falling down?
Here are some cards and paper. Let's use them.
I am drawing a sun. I miss the sunlight.
That is a beautiful sun, Emma. Well done.
See? We don't need the internet to be happy.
Dad, do you want to play cards with me?
Yes, Jack. Let's play. Teach me the rules.
Now you are learning. This is how we survive.
You are very smart, Elena. They are awake now.
What was that sound? It sounds like a microwave.
It is time. The digital world is dead. Life begins.
You are right. I was a digital ghost before.
We are not bored anymore, Mom. We love you.
The phones stay in the box. Forever, if needed.
Stay together. Stay strong. No more screens.
Listen, the news is changing. Be very quiet.
Safe zones are open. Move slowly and carefully.
Wait for the final signal. We are almost ready.
I can see the light now. It's not on a screen.
The internet is gone, but we are still here. The world is changing outside.
Screens cannot save us now. Only people can.
When everything falls, we only have each other.
You are right, Elena. I was always too busy. I'm sorry. I want to be a better father now.
What is more important, Wi-Fi or family? The answer is B. Love is our strongest signal. The cables are broken. We cannot go back to before.
It's okay. We don't need the internet to be happy.
Here, Emma. Let's share this together. Thank you, Jack. You are a very brave brother.
This light is small, but it is enough for... We are safe.
We are together. We are home. Once upon a time, before the internet.
Tell us more, Dad. What happened next?
This is the true connection I wanted.
You saved your family today, Elena.
The war is outside, but peace is inside here.
Thank you for being so strong, my dear.
Good night, Mom. Good night, Dad.
Sleep well. Tomorrow is a new beginning.
Disconnect to reconnect. See you in the next lesson. Learn English with Elena. Subscribe for more.
Wait, is this the radio or my phone?